So let's try taking on this quiz. Now, as you can see here, the name of the quiz is already there, the maximum score, and there is a warning here that I can only make one attempt. In case there are time limits, which we do set, not because we want to pressure the student, because we want to avoid cheating as much as possible. Now, it should also appear here. Now, as you can see here, there is also a warning or a text here telling us that it is open until July 31. So let's start the attempt. Now, there are settings made by the teacher to make the test a little bit different. Now, in this case, the setting is basically just multiple choice. And then once we answer something, we click on next, and then we just do it until we're done with the quiz. Now, as you can see here, these are multiple choice or true or false only, but in some cases there will be essays, there will be matching type, and etc. But this quiz is exclusively just multiple choice or true or false. Now, once we're done, now this one is still multiple choice, but it says select all audio formats below, so that you can choose multiple files. Okay. So once you are done, it will actually prompt you to, oh, there we have a fill in the blank. Now, let's just assume that we're done with this quiz. So once we're done, click on review, and it will tell you which items you are already answered and which items you have failed to answer. You can actually click on it and you can go back to it. And then let's just assume that we're done, and then we can click on finish. As you can see, there's another warning that 10 questions are unattempted, so you can go back and try to answer that. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to click on yes. So once again, there are different ways for the teacher to set the quiz. Sometimes there will be questions that doesn't allow you to go back to the previous question. Now, there will be a warning for that, so make sure that the student actually reads the instructions very carefully before clicking on next. Okay, now those are by design. Now, it's up to the teacher of how he or she wants to put the quiz online. So as you can see here, we can now, we have attempted this once and it's already submitted. So we can click on view, and we already have a score. We actually did quite well, even though we answered only 12, I think. So as you can see, it's 12 over 25. Oh, sorry, 7 over 25. So we answered 12. So we basically passed the quiz if we discount the items that we did not answer. As you can see here, there is a menu that allows you to go back to a certain page. Let's go back to our main course page.